Milburn AI is the latest breakthrough in AI software, and in this review, I'm going to cover the 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about it. Whether you're new to the world of AI or already familiar with the technology, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of why Milburn AI could be the best option for you. Stick around until the end, and I'll even tell you where you can try it completely free. No strings attached. First off, Milburn AI is incredibly intuitive, designed to automate and simplify tasks that once took hours of manual work. If you're running a business, whether small or large, you can automate everything from customer service to lead generation. The simplicity of Milburn AI's interface is what makes it stand out. It doesn't require any technical experience to get started, just plug it in and you're ready to go. What's really exciting about Milburn AI is its ability to scale with your business. If you're a digital marketer, you know how essential it is to have software that can grow with you. Milburn AI offers customizable features that allow it to adapt to your specific needs. It doesn't matter if you're looking to generate content, manage campaigns, or analyze customer data. Milburn AI has a tool for every task. Another standout feature is the software's real-time analytics. It can track your campaigns and give you live feedback, which helps you make data-driven decisions on the fly. With AI-driven recommendations, you can tweak your strategies on the go, improving your performance without wasting time or resources. Whether you're tracking ad campaigns, customer interactions, or social media, the insights are powerful. One of the main selling points for Milburn AI is its affordability. Unlike many other AI platforms, Milburn AI offers a free version that packs a surprising punch. Of course, there's a premium version with advanced features, but for most small business owners and marketers, the free version provides more than enough to get started. If you're working with a tight budget, this is a huge advantage. Another thing I really appreciate about Milburn AI is its customer support. The team behind it is highly responsive, offering comprehensive tutorials and guides to help you through any challenges. Whether you need help setting up a feature or understanding analytics, Milburn AI's support team has you covered. Plus, the community forums are full of tips and strategies shared by users, helping you learn from others. Now let's talk about security. Milburn AI takes privacy seriously and ensures that all your data is encrypted and protected. In a world where cybersecurity is a growing concern, knowing that your information is safe with Milburn AI adds a layer of peace of mind. You can rest easy knowing your customer data, business information, and AI interactions are safe from potential threats. To wrap things up, Milburn AI is a game changer for businesses looking to leverage AI technology without breaking the bank. Whether you're looking to automate tasks, gather actionable insights, or simply improve your workflow, this software has you covered. If you're ready to try Milburn AI for yourself, check out the link in the description below for a free trial. Trust me, after testing thousands of AI tools, this one stands out, and I highly recommend it. Don't forget to check out my recommended AI software in the description. These are tools I've personally tested and trust to help businesses grow.